I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need admin rights. Sign in with an administrator account so changes can apply system-wide. Once signed in, close extra apps to prevent prompts or lost work while you change security settings. Now open Start, choose Settings, then Update and Security, and click Windows Security to access protections. You're starting the actual task immediately. This path gets you to firewall and network protection where the toggle lives. Make sure your device is on and awake so nothing blocks the procedure. Once in Windows Security, click Firewall and Network Protection to see network profiles and status. Choose the active profile, domain, private, or public, because each has its own firewall switch. You'll need to enable them where applicable. Toggle Microsoft Defender Firewall to on for the active profile, then repeat for other profiles you want protected. You're doing this to block unwanted inbound connections while allowing trusted apps. After enabling, review allowed apps, so legitimate programs. You're almost done. Confirm each network profile now shows the firewall is active, which means Windows is blocking unauthorized access. If an application needs network access, click Allow an app through firewall and add it, specifying private or public access. This prevents service interruptions. If the setting won't stick, restart the PC to force policies to apply. If problems persist, make sure no third-party security suite is overriding Windows Firewall. Uninstall or disable it to restore Microsoft Defender control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.